That's another chat.
That's a secret.
So Kareena, whatever you have done, you have reached to the full marks, be it maintaining the zero figure or coming up with a salwar suit and acting to the just to reach the height. आपकी चूँकि जुल्फ़ों की बात हो रही है तो आपके बॉलीवुड क्वीन बनने में आपकी जुल्फ़ों का कितना हाथ रहा है?
आई थिंक बॉलीवुड में तो आई थिंक जुल्फ़े तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि हर गाने में तो पंखा होना चाहिए और बाल उड़ने चाहिए तो गाना हिट नहीं होता है आप लोग उसी गाना को हिट कर लेते हो तो हेयर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आई थिंक इट्स स्पेशली फॉर एन इंडियन फिल्म एक्ट्रेस आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बट जैसे ओडना ने भी कहा कि फिल्म तलाश में विच वॉज सच अ रियल फिल्म जिस आई थिंक द हेयर प्लेड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन माई कैरेक्टर टू मेक इट लुक द वे शी वॉज that entire softness of Rosie came across because of her hair also. So hair does play a very important role, in fact, in building the character in a film.
So
Hi, Kareena.
Aduna,
This is Pooja.
Aduna, since you are the hair expert, who are the actors in Hollywood as well as Bollywood you admire for their hairstyles?
I think there are many. I think there are many people who sort of play around and experiment with their hair, and that for me is more important than always having something that you know is formulaic and works. I like it that people experiment. I think people like Kareena have experimented with different things, and importantly, whether it's a Hollywood film or whether it's a Bollywood film, I do believe and agree with you that the hair does help you to develop a character.
हाय करीना, दिस इज़ पूजा हियर. मैं आपको पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपने कई सारी फिल्मों में अलग अलग किरदार निभाए और देश विदेश के कई लोकेशंस पे शूटिंग की, तो ऐसे वक्त में आप अपने बालों का ख्याल किस तरह से रखते हैं? व्हाट इज़ द मेंटेनेंस टिप यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर विथ अस?
वेल आई थिंक गुड शाइन स्प्रे ऑलवेज हेल्प्स क्योंकि स्क्रीन पे बाल हमेशा खूबसूरत लगना चाहिए, शाइनिंग लगना चाहिए. तो दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट I think a hairstylist always has, and B Blunt has an amazing product. So we always use that. I think that is something because it's so important in a character also that जब आप स्क्रीन पे एक हीरोइन को देखते हो तो उनकी खूबसूरती का राज डेफिनेटली पहले ही उनके बालों पे जाता है. So when the whole look is right, so to maintain that, that is also very important. And to obviously have the most amazing hairstylist like Odna is also very important.
May I also add something to that point? I think dry shampoo is something that every actor should have in their kit bag. Because the dry shampoo, B Blunt's Back to Life dry shampoo, will actually help revive your hair. And it's perfect for shooting. It's perfect for our climate. So.
Towards your right, left. What is your hair care routine?
Well, I think that definitely doing a hair touch-up every 6 to 8 weeks for hair color is very important, especially in a profession like mine. And definitely having a nice spa hair treatment at B Blunt. They do an amazing hair spa treatment with deep conditioning. I think that really helps to keep the softness going. Also, actors हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा products use करते हैं shoot पे. फिल्मों में, एड्स में. So it is nice to constantly keep getting a spa done, going to the salon every 6 weeks, kind of to get your hair rejuvenated. I think that is very important to take out that time and look after it.
I think if I may add, one of the things that we like to do with our brand is to try and make sure that your hair looks good for 365 days of the year, not just for 2 months, and which is why we encourage all our clients to do conditioning, to do regular haircuts, to do regular color every 6 to 8 weeks, and keep it shining.
Kareena, I have 2 questions for you. One, do you feel you've experimented less with your hair as compared to the other girls? They cut it short, they color it, do a lot with their characters, particularly in films. And a second question, in the phase that you are in, the body goes through a lot of changes. Do you feel it's sort of a change in your hair and your scalp also at times?
I think my hair, I have to say, has never been better. And so that is one thing which is good. And of course, I think character-wise, I won't deny that, yes, I haven't cut my hair short because I'm paranoid. I think I love my hair too much. And there's nothing wrong if a woman loves her hair. I think that's amazing.
It's also about suitability, right?
Yeah.
There's no point to just go short for the sake of it.
Absolutely.
Work with the character, or it should work with you as
and my
individual.
personality.
Yeah.
So I think my hair is absolutely gorgeous and fine.
Karina,
I'm not chopping my locks. No.
Hi.
That's
Karina,
your question.
Hi,
Yeah, this
Karina.
question is for Aduna. You've been a woman entrepreneur, you've broken barriers, and you've actually made a name for Be Blunt and in styling also. Being a woman entrepreneur and an achiever, what have been the 3 secrets of your success?
He's giving you 3 words now, not one.
Not 3 words, I can say 3 sentences, right? I think, number 1, a great team. My team are my support, and thank you, team. So collaborating with people who perhaps know more than you in their specific field, because collaboration is what I believe has been a big part or contributor to my success. And I think just keeping the faith in yourself and believing in yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's right there.
But that y'all have decided. I haven't said it. Y'all have already decided what's happening, where I'm shopping, what I'm doing, how much I'm spending, what my bills are, everything. Y'all know everything, then why don't ask me?
करीना, आपने हमेशा एक नया ट्रेंड सेट किया है बॉलीवुड में, चाहे वो 0 साइज़ का हो या कुछ और भी, और इस समय आप इसी फेज़ में, जिस फेज़ में हैं आप, उसमें एक्टिंग करने वाली हैं, ऐसी खबरें हैं। तो एक तो ये बता दीजिए कि आप करने वाली हैं, रोहित की फिल्म है या किसी और की फिल्म में आप इसी रूप में एक्टिंग करने वाली हैं जिस फेज़ में आप हैं इस समय, तो क्या है?
Well, I'm definitely going to go on with my normal life. I'm a working woman and there's absolutely nothing wrong in that. So I love my job, I'm passionate about my work. Acting में तो जब से मैं अपने माँ के पेट में थी तब से ही मैं एक्टर बनना चाहती थी. तो that's fine and I will continue acting all my life till I'm 80. So, you know, I mean, of course, if there's a role for me, why should I not do it?
Karina, as you said, Saif liked the look, your hair look in Dawn. Which is your favorite look in any of your film, actually?
Well, I don't know. I think that there's so many films where I've obviously liked my hair. कि हर एक फिल्म में अलग दिखाया गया है, and that is the most important. So I don't know. Yeah, maybe Dawn, maybe Jab Bhi Met. I think my hair has always looked good. Do you remember when it's looked bad?
Karina. Hi, yo. I want to know, did you ever have a bad hair day? And if you had, how did you fix it?
Well, I've never had a bad hair day, but obviously I know that my go-to place is the Be Blunt salon in Khar. So if I ever do, I know that they're going to look after me and give me the best treatment.
And करीना जी आपके सामने, करीना जी हम देख रहे हैं कि प्रेग्नेंट होने के बाद भी आप कंटिन्यू काम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि महिलाएं जो होती है रेस्ट करना ज़्यादा पसंद करती हैं, तो ये जो एनर्जी है वो कहाँ से लाती हैं आप अपने अंदर, करीना?
I think it's a myth that pregnancy में of course rest तो होना चाहिए. And आपको कैसे पता कि मैं रेस्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ? रात को तो मैं रेस्ट कर ही रही हूँ, पर दिन को तो काम करना चाहिए ना?
Hi,
I can't see you.
Hello. The question is for Aduna ma'am. Ma'am, now that Karina ma'am is on board and you have been associated with many Bollywood celebrities, so how does that help in sprucing up Be Blunt's brand image?
I don't know, maybe I should ask you that question. It's just been part and parcel of the work that we've done. We were fortunate enough to, our first project in Dil Chahta Hai was very successful for us from a styling point of view. And thank goodness that after that, it's just business has come to us. People making films are interested in collaborating with us as hair partners. And it's just gone really, really well. It was never something calculated, of course. It just happened as a natural progression, I think.
Maybe I'll add on to this. Actually, you know, if you see, Karina has a huge fan following, very, very mass fan following across the country, in every part of the country. So I think what really does to Be Blunt, the brand, is like what Aduna was mentioning earlier, that even today maybe we have only 18 stores and the reach is not very mass. What this does is, I think this gives us an opportunity to take the brand across the country and make it accessible and reach all the masses of India. And I think with Kareena coming on board, that endorsement obviously adds a huge amount of fab quotient to us.
All right,
Hi,
we have
everyone.
one question for that camera, which is the Facebook Live camera. Millions of people across the globe are watching
it?
this live. So, Kareena, your message for those fans sitting there and watching us right now. Look into that camera at the center.
Hi everybody on Facebook, and I know, everybody's crazy about it. So many people get in touch through that. It's amazing, and I love this opportunity that we're live and this very special occasion. Be Blunt, very special ad has just played. Please keep playing it on Facebook, and of course, I think we all three should say the tagline together.
Yes.
That'll be great.
Yeah.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3.
You're
shining,
baby. Maybe once more.
You're
became a
shining,
song.
baby.
All right, we'll take just 2 more last questions. One from this side and one from this side. Nothing from the center, right? Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, one from the center
Oh, yeah,
also.
why
Let's
are we
go.
being so mean to the center?
All right, let's go on the right side first.
Hi, Kareena.
Next, in the center, yeah.
Well, we'll see. As far as I'm concerned, I've been very lucky. So let's see. I think everybody, it's about your attitude, the way you look at things, the way you approach things. I think it's that really matters. And I don't even look at Bollywood as being stereotype. It's the roles that come to me. I'll pick and choose of the best that is offered to me. I can't comment on someone else.
All right, one last question now from this side. Yes, ma'am.
Are we doing franchises? Well, we are currently working on our franchise model. Totally, we have 18 salons, 8 of which are self-owned, and the rest are franchises. We also have gone to Dubai also. So this is something that we're currently working on. It's a work in progress.
Considering you've run your fingers through quite a few of them. That she should answer.
I have to say that I'm currently in love with Siddharth Malhotra's hair in Bar Bar Dekho. That movie's coming up, and I've just worked on that movie, so I'd like to say that's the hair that I like right now.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Maybe invite you for lunch right outside this hall. Thank you so much.
Yeah.